What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. Today I'm going to expose the real reason why devs are making more money than traders in 2026, and I'm going to walk you through the exact free strategy I use to launch meme coins and cash out consistently every single day. Trust me bro, if you are tired of losing or if you are not profitable, well this strategy might work a lot for you. And honestly bro, I do not sell a course, I'm just here to show you how it's done. And by the way guys, I am not a LARP, I do know what I'm talking about. I've made a complete bag from deving meme coins personally in the past couple of years, so I know what I'm talking about. Now most people watching this video right now are losing money in crypto, which is pretty normal because 95% of all these coins, okay, are all rug pulls, which means a lot of people right now are losing money trading meme coins. That's why every single trader are playing the wrong side of the game entirely. You guys have to start deving, because by deving your own coins bro, you have nothing to lose. You can just launch coins for free and then cash out and rinse and repeat that method. Now my method is not that simple, you guys will see later on in the video. It's a bit more complex, but that's the overall strategy. Now look, the reason why devs are getting paid so much also is because the fees from every single transaction coming in your coin go straight into the pockets of the fucking dev, and if the dev holds a lot of supply bro, they can make a lot of fucking money when they cash out. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in this market personally, not from trading but from being the person creating these coins. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly, completely free, no course, okay, no gatekeeping, step by step on camera, my exact strategy on how I dev my meme coins, okay. It's fucking gatekept, and by the end of the video you'll have everything you need to do the same for yourself. Like that you can build up that portfolio. Anyways, let's get straight into it. And by the way bro, everything said in this video is made for educational purposes only. I don't condone any financial advice in this video bro. The results will vary and that's all you have to know bro. Cap! Now there are a lot of devs in this space who are already deving meme coins at this present moment, but they're launching on Pump.Fun though. They're just launching coins on Pump.Fun hoping to make money, but the coin goes nowhere and it gets no buyers over and over again. The platform is the problem. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. The number of tokens launching every single second is staggering. As you guys can see here, okay, every single second there's one new coin coming out, okay. The entire space of meme coins is all based on attention and eyeballs. And on Pump.Fun bro, you are not going to get that. On top of that, okay, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees and they hold control over your own liquidity pool, which means you cannot make money even if you are up a couple $1,000s, okay. And the biggest issue that makes a bunch of people mad is that to reach the Raydium dex, right, your coin needs to reach a $35,000 market cap on Pump.Fun, so it's practically impossible to get your meme coin to migrate onto the Raydium dex. Now look, my strategy, okay, is to launch on the Raydium dex because here is where all the money is being made. When the coin goes on Raydium bro, it gets a bunch of attention, a bunch of eyeballs, and a bunch of buyers. It's as simple as that. Now look, to get your meme coin on Raydium bro, do not use Pump.Fun but use creatememe.io. It's the best launchpad to launch meme coins to Raydium because every single token that is launched here goes to Raydium immediately and it skips the entire bonding curve progress, and that's why people use this launchpad. Now to make a meme coin on creatememe.io, you have a couple different options. The first option is to create a whole new meme coin from scratch. If you have a viral narrative, if you have a project or some type of community that you want to make a meme coin about, it could be literally anything, you can make it here, okay. It's the fastest and the best. You just need a name, symbol, and image, and that's it, okay. You could also either use their free X tracker and turn tweets into coins instantly, okay. For example, if a Donald Trump tweet comes out, you can turn that instantly into a coin and be the first before everyone else, okay. But But my strategy, okay, my personal favorite strategy is the copy trending coins strategy, because all these coins are all going viral, and that's because they all have a good narrative right now. They're all getting a bunch of volume, a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun as we speak, which means if we copy these coins to Raydium, well, we should get a bunch of traders and a bunch of attention, a bunch of volume, okay, all because we're recopying coins that are working on Pump.Fun right now, okay. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we are just vamping coins that are already working at this present moment. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, let's dev a coin and then see how much profits in Solana we can make from this launch, all live on camera, bro. If you're still watching, well, this is gonna be an important watch. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy/vamp. I'm gonna copy the Memecoin. Why not? I chose it completely randomly. Click on copy to Raydium, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox right here, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be copied, right? Just give it some time for it to load in. And then boom. And if I go in source scan, right, you guys can see on chain, it's live, it's minted, everything is working, and everything is legitimate. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create and allocate our supply for the Raydium liquidity pool. Once it's live, it's going to go to Raydium, and then people will be able to buy your coin, right? And you guys will see, we will see the chart. Now look, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. Here is what you put your supply inside the coin. 900 million coins is what I usually do for all my launches. For the amount of SOL right here, this is the first buy inside your own coin on the first block. Now look, I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL. You are not losing this, okay? You are not spending this. It's not a fee, it's not money loss. You can get this back at any given moment, okay? By the end of the launch, once we exit, it will come back inside your Phantom wallet. So just keep that in mind, okay? Just make sure you have anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL to put here, and then click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. It should not take long, right? And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button, and then scroll down, and bang, the Memecoin is live. Your PNL is right there. And if you want to see how much you're up by, well, right now, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, we're up 170 bucks, which is absolutely insane. It has been like 10 seconds max that the coin is live. That means people are buying your coin. Now look, let me go on the chart, go on full screen. The coin should be fucking live. As you guys can see, the coin is live, okay? Oh my god, people are buying in. It's going crazy, bro. So much fucking volume is coming in, and if you guys want, okay, you can trade your own coin. Since you are the dev for your own coin, well, why not make money from trading too on the side? Because since you are the dev, you control everything, okay? You spent nothing launching this coin, so why not just buy the coin to make some quick profits by trading, right? So wait, right here I'm gonna buy with 2 SOL, wait, no, 1 SOL, no, wait, one more dip, maybe one. Okay, I'm in for like 1 SOL, and okay, it's going up, we're up. So you can trade your own coin at the same time if you want. That's up to you, bro. But it's actually insane because we spent nothing launching this coin, and bro, we're already up like 500 bucks if I had to guess on the deving side, okay? So that's actually insane. I'm gonna let this coin pump for a bit, bro. When I come back, we will see how much we're up. So be right back. At the 2.1k liquidity, bro, and by the way, bro, we're up 114% on our position. Let me just sell 100%. Boom, we sold, and we made a quick Solana right there. It should be like 85 bucks on the trade. I could have put in more, but yeah, that's up to you to play around with that. But yeah, let's make money from deving though. Come back to create meme.io when you want to cash out your profits, and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And bang, we're up $2,200 on this coin. That is ridiculous. Okay, that's exactly why you have to dev. Okay, but obviously the results will vary from coin to coin. But yeah, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to show up, bro. Come on. Okay, oh yeah, and you're the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a coin. And look, I'm not capping. Bang, $2,200 straight inside my phantom wallet, bro. And by the way, the 0.3 SOL is included in this, so you got it back. So yeah, that's exactly how to dev, bro. Create meme.io is the fucking meta in 2026, bro. Go into the comments down below, go in the description, go on Google and type in create meme.io. Okay, like, subscribe, and join my Discord. Peace out.